I am never turning down a dive. Hey, nice. Seriously, there's like no hood left. I don't care about dangerous. Is it pretty? Is it beautiful? She's like, well, yeah, but you know, dangerous. I was like, all right, let's go. Very nearly ran out of gas just now. Of course, I don't quite fit in it. That does not taste like food. Go away. Good morning. I am still suffering from jet lag. So I've been up for a couple of hours. I think it's about 5 a.m. now. And I love this opportunity to just wander around the village. It's paradise, man. Paradise. Absolute paradise. But as beautiful as this place is, I do need to move along today. My goal is to get to the east coast of Taiwan. Now, Taiwan's kind of like Vancouver Island, but backwards. So its east coast is rugged and a good surf spot and open to the Pacific. For us, it's the west coast, right? We're on the other side of the Pacific. But yeah, that means I gotta cross over the mountains. And if it's anything like Vancouver Island, that should be interesting. But before I go, Penny's offered to take me for a third dive today, and I am never turning down a dive here. So I am going to do that first. Before we hit the water, we're just going to take a quick pit stop and check out Penny's house and give her dogs a chance to stretch their legs a little bit. I'm really kind of jealous of Penny's life here. It is so cool to be in the water every day, 2 dogs near the beach in a beautiful little town. I don't know, man, it sounds pretty idyllic to me. Welcome to Chunfanshi, or Sail Rock. This is our diving location for today. It's another semi-exposed spot, so like the other two, it's gonna have a little bit of wave action, but there's so much life down here. Also, check out Penny's Toyota Zace. Look at this thing, there's like no hood left. Let's get in the water. I very nearly ran out of gas just now. Started heading into the mountains. There's a couple of routes to get across the mountains, across the island, and I was asking Penny which one I should take. Mike's got his opinion. He really likes 199. I'm kind of was thinking 199. Penny's like, oh no, too dangerous. And I was like, I don't care about dangerous. Is it pretty? Is it beautiful? She's like, well, yeah, but you know, dangerous. I was like, all right, let's go. Also, they don't have any gas stations in there, so I got like to the first village just before I got up in the mountains, and it was like, bang, bang, bang. No gas station, no nothing. I'm like, oh shit, I gotta double back. I barely made it. All right, let's get into those mountains. Unfortunately, I have to double back now because the road is closed. There's some construction happening up, 2/3 of the way, and I can't make it through. So, oh well, I got a little slice of it, and now I'm soaked. Let's go. Unfortunately, I can't go through that tunnel. I gotta go around in the rain because I'm on a scooter. No scooters through the tunnel. My heart is just full with the spectacular views and the mind-numbing wind, and it's buffeting everything, and I'm just drinking it all in. This place is gorgeous. It's one of the best highways I've ever driven. Welcome to the beautiful seaside town of Dulan on the outskirts of Taitung. It's a beautiful spot to catch some mountain views and some beaches and some hot springs and of course some surf. I am staying at the Wagaligong Dulan Surf House and Bar. It's a nice spot to hang out with surfers from all over the world. Half of them seem to be from Taiwan and the other half from everywhere else. It's the only place I stayed in Taiwan with some actual Westerners in it. Ooh, welcome to Dulan. This is a little surf town on the east coast of Taiwan. And I figured I'd come out here and try and, wipe out on a surfboard a little bit. But today the weather is atrocious and the winds are actually very strong, so the waves will probably be too much for me to handle. And it's already quite late and I'm very tired from that ride, so I am just going to grab some food and hang out here in this surf hostel with a bunch of other people from all over the world and, take it a bit easy tonight. Catch this thing tomorrow morning. The frame all the time.
Depends what I'm up to, I guess.
This is Taiwan's garbage collection. In Canada, we just leave it on the curb and it gets taken care of while we're out at work or something. But in Taiwan, they play a jingle and all the neighbors come out, chit-chat, gossip, catch up with each other, and hand the garbage man their garbage. Alright, yeah, I'm no good at sitting around on my ass. So this is Liang, and he's taken me out to a hot house. It's basically a hot spring, but it's more utilitarian and it's very cheap. Liang's putting his CB500 through its paces, and I've got my throttle pinned just trying to keep up with him. You hear that? This is more your old man's hot onsen steam house, bathhouse, hot house, it's called. Of course, I don't quite fit in it. Now I gotta check all the footage and make sure my cock's not out. Okay, been in Taiwan for 3 days and I'm finally going to a night market. This is Jupet. Jupet? Jupet. Jupet.
But.
Jupet. Got it. Got it. Alright, let's get some food.
Oh, there's a story, a friend of my friend. One day he put this thing to another guy is from the LA.
Yeah.
And this guy tasted once and just asked how to make the potatoes and what the toast.
Yeah.
I think this thing can have a big sale in the US.
Yeah.
But
did it work out in Los Angeles or not?
I don't know.
Liang's working hard to ensure that I have every Taiwanese staple that this night market has to offer, including those sweet fried potato balls and some pork blood soup, and of course we're going to try a little bit of the fried gooey octopus.
Fried
Octopus? Oh, this is the fried octopus. Okay. Oh, so it's like the sauce is like sticky, slimy. Okay, Liang here has got an idea that he wants to have me eat stinky tofu. You think I'm gonna like it?
Definitely yes.
Definitely yes. All right, let's do it.
You wanna have some drink?
Oh yeah.
And this is yours.
Thank you.
It's a bubble green tea.
Bubble green tea. The smells wafting on me already. That is some stinky toe jam juice.
I smell nothing.
Nothing.
I can smell too.
Now, I love a stinky blue cheese, but the thing about blue cheese is it doesn't taste like it smells. This stuff, on the other hand, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think that's for me. I gave it a real shot, I'm sorry. That does not taste like food. That's not food, that's gym socks. That is the flavor of gym socks.
It's okay, I can take it all if you don't like.
Well, that left me a little rattled and I'm feeling a little vulnerable, so I'm going for some fried chicken. Now, it might just be the stinky tofu talking, but the texture of this fried chicken was absolutely spectacular, and I've found that on the whole, Taiwanese cuisine is a lot about texture. It's amazing. Of course, just because I didn't like the stinky tofu didn't mean I wasn't going to bring it back and stink up the entire hostel with it. Don't worry, it's nothing 5 or 6 Taiwan beers can't clear out of your system. See you guys next week.